Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to basically go over my whole trade today and why it happened. So stay tuned, learn some things, and if you have any questions, remember to leave a comment below. With that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, let me brighten this up for myself. So the stock today that I was told I really needed to make a recap on was a stock I traded called Dare. Um, so DARE obviously has some news as you can see here. This morning, I don't even remember what it is, sadly. If I can get this to stop. Mixed open, Dow under pressure. Dare paused due to volatility. So this one was actually halted, I believe. All my days run together, guys, so that's the problem. So here you see I already have a resistance line that was there from last night. Or not last night, but this is Monday right here. Starts, we have resistance here, pre-market, we shoot up above it, and then we just start going haywire into this. So I did not actually go long on this one. I did not play this. I played the short game, is what you guys is really the big difference here. And the reason why I did this is because it made a high and then it never attempted to make a newer high. So I started shorting over in here at that $3 range. $3 is actually right around where I got executed. I got some at 3, I got some at 2.99, I got some at 2.80, 2.98, but most of mine were at $3. And that was really my hold. If it could hold $3, then it was going to go further up, but if it couldn't hold $3 for a long time, it was going to fall. And you see these things that just run up so high. And like I said, I shorted it because there was, I took a little bit of a risk shorting this one because of how haywire it was. But when you see things get halted, usually there's so much volume at it, people are scared that it's going to start falling afterwards. And that's exactly what this one did. So there is not one exact pattern on this one. This is literally just me being in the market so long that it actually started falling. And I knew that it was starting to fall just because of the way that it was reacting and how volume was and the volatility. And then you can also always go down here and look at level 2. Like right now, there's no volatility whatsoever in this, but there's a ton of ask, and there's not very much on the bid anymore. Very little compared to these. Remember, you're adding zeros to the end of these numbers to tell you the shares amount that they're asking for it. They're asking 210 right now. They're at 208. Looks like they're about to jump up to 209. Oh, 210. See? Because you have a bid here at the 209. Somebody must have just market bought. And this one, since it did run up so high today, you guys got to realize this stock is still up a lot on the day. It could actually run and start slowly grinding that way. But I've already made my money. I am out. A lot of people will short and then try to ride it out. Again, this stock is just so far up. I actually made my money, got out at 250. So look at this. I got out in this huge red candle. I could have held on for so much longer, but you always want to cover into when you actually have buyers and stuff like that for it. You don't want to just you're not always aiming for that absolute top because you may get stuck with it a little bit and then you start going back downwards. I just want to really make this quick video lesson for you guys. This one's free. This one's going on YouTube. I really hope if you guys have any questions on videos you want me to make, please like the video and then leave a comment down below, and it'll basically go over if you leave a comment below telling me what you want me to go over, exactly how you want me to go over it, or just tell me the topic that you want me to go over, I'll go over it in a video before the end of this week and upload it just for you. With that being said, if you guys want to learn how to trade, if you guys want to learn how to swing trade, day trade, let me know. The links will be in the description below. You can hit me up on Instagram. I will message you back directly if you message me. I'm not like other teachers where you just see me on here and you never have any other reaction with me. That's not true. You will have reaction with me. Direct message me. You'll see I will message back. I'm a very in-person kind of teacher. You get my course, of course, and then we go from there. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys all soon.